In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default comment on images that you generate on the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up GIMP and select the Edit tab up at the top. And then you want to go down and select where it says Preferences. And now on the left side, you want to select where it says Default Image. And then on the right side, if you scroll down, it should be something that says Comment. You can change this text to whatever you want and then select OK to confirm. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.